Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn money by watching ads. So, earn money by watching ads, you can not earn the big amount to earn money by watching ads. Ensure that some websites earn more and some websites earn less, but this website not earn you more, but it's 100% legit. So stay tuned and stay till the end. So don't waste any time. I will come into the my Chrome browser, so I will turn on the mobile data. So you have to you have to come on to www.earndoing.com. So this is the website I will show you. So in this website you can earn money easily. When you are coming into this website, you will need to enter your first name, last name, and enter your email and click on start making money. After click on start making money, you have to enter your username, email, password, confirm password, desired pin. Desired pin uh, you can search for the desired pin on Chrome or Google. So and you have to click on you have to put your birth year and address, city, state, province, zip, postal code. So after this you have to select your gender and your answer of the solve media, and you have to click on these three checkbox. So after this you will be redirected. So you have to verify your email and you have to click on these three dots and click on earn. After clicking on earn, so you have to put everything real, because of that they want the KYC verification. So you have to click on earn and click on PTC. So there is three ways. One is afterwards, and the second is PTC, and there is one another. So PTC, there is a PTC at this website not pay you very much, but it's 100% legit. And in the last of this video, I will show you the site that they pay really much. So you have to click on this. After clicking on this, so you can see here waiting to advertisement load. So it's loading 100%, and you have to solve the captcha. So after you have to click on send. After clicking on send, you can see here you have been credited with 0.000 $100 for this ad. So you can see here in my main balance, this balance have been added, and there is another CPA GPT offers. You can complete CPA GPT offers and you can earn through referral link. So you can see here it's have been paid to you $0.9 the amount. So this is really easy to do these tasks, and this is 100% legit. You can search it and trust Pilot. So the bonus tip that I will give you, so the bonus tip is this, that you can earn money by clicking on ads, paper click ads, and you will be earning money. So you can see here 11 clicks and I am earning $0.11. So this is the big amount I see, and this is 100% real website. So and this website have a full review in my other video, so you can check it in my channel. So all this for that video, like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.